coming live from the shores of Indian Ocean. So we are next to Fort Jesus, which is one of the oldest buildings, the oldest structure we have in the coast, located in Mombasa Whole Town. So this is the Indian Ocean, and the land across, that is Nyali, one of the poshy neighborhoods in this beautiful country, Kenya. So this water is coming to the shores so fast. I almost got injured while rushing to escape being locked in the other side. Enjoy the good views of Indian Ocean. You need to watch today as the waves approach. The waves are so heavy, very heavy. So the tides, very soon this water will fill to this point, or probably to where we have that writing. Wow. You can see the kind of structures the Arabs used to build way back during colonial period. You know, when Kenya was getting colonized, we have different countries which were camping here with different missions. There is a country which was here to spread the gospel. Of course, they brought the Bible. We have the Arabs, who brought Quran, and they trade. We have the Portuguese still who are here for trade. Then we have the Britons, the British, which was there to colonize the country. Of course, according to them, they were bringing civilization. Do you think our colonies were here to bring colonization, or they were here to benefit themselves? How do you see? So the water is approaching the seashore so fast, but during morning hours, we had no water at this point. It had gone to the deep sea. Now it's coming back to the shores. And then the time I was coming here, boys were swimming from this point. Now, no one is swimming here. Hey, what's up?
Hi.
We're going live from the Indian Ocean.
Yeah.
So, my name is GoSeeAfrica. I'm a traveler and a YouTuber from Kenya, Africa. So, we're going live. So, we want to be showing you the water approaching the seashore. Yeah? So, the time we were coming here, boys were swimming there. Yeah, boys were swimming there. Now, they have all exited the beach. You are live,
Yeah,
right?
I'm live.
Oh, good. So I'm accompanied by
There are some animals right here.
the lady, Natasha. Oh, those are crabs.
Yeah, small crabs.
We want to film some crabs here. Crabs are here. You can see them. These are crabs. Oh, there are two. Oh, there are several.
There are several.
Wow. It's my first time I'm seeing crabs from this side. Jamaicans eat crabs so much.
Wow. This is another
My viewers from Jamaica, from the Caribbean, these are crabs. Yeah, they can bite you. Need to be extra careful. So we have some more here. We have more there. More crabs. You guys like the video? And let me know where you're watching from.